Homesteading family, and today you will be learning how to make the best herb-infused honey ever. Let's get started. So today we're making an herb-infused honey, and this honey is really great for anything like drizzling over pancakes, stirring into tea, or even if you have a sore throat. This really is a kitchen must-have because it is budget-friendly, absolutely delicious, and it's packed with nutrients. Plus, you only need 2 ingredients, honey and herbs. Today, I'm going to be using thyme and mint, but you could also use rosemary and lavender. Make sure you stick around for the recipe and the amazing medicinal benefits. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a homesteading tip. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why this honey is so good. Raw honey is a natural powerhouse because it's antibacterial, it's great for soothing sore throats, and it can be really awesome for seasonal allergies if it's local. I like to keep a jar on hand for the cold season. So the herbs take it to a whole new level, and for the herbs I'm using, which is mint and thyme, we're going to talk about the benefits of each plus the benefits of your other option, which is rosemary and lavender. So mint is really great because it can help with digestion, it can settle an upset stomach or help you if you're dealing with nausea. It's also really great for soothing a headache. So thyme has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also is really great for respiratory health and calming a cough. So your other herb option for the honey is rosemary and lavender. Rosemary is really great for easing headaches, and it's awesome for boosting circulation. Lavender is very calming, it is great for stress relief, and if you stir it into your tea before bed, it can help you sleep. Putting together the flavor of the honey and the medicinal power of the herbs makes an awesome blend. So let's get started. Alright, so for the herb-infused honey, I'm making 2 batches. One of them is infused with mint, and one of them is infused with thyme. For each batch, you want about 1 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of fresh herb, or you could do 1 tablespoon of dried herb. Alright, so next set up your double boiler to gently warm the honey, not boiling, because it will help the herbs infuse and help keep the medicinal benefits of the honey. After that, you're just going to pour your honey into the double boiler and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Once your honey has been heating for 5 minutes, go ahead and add in the herbs, and you're going to let them infuse for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that your double boiler does not run out of water. Alright, so let's talk about storing your honey for a minute. While you can't keep this honey on a shelf, it will store in your fridge for up to 4 weeks. Enjoy! Alright, now that we have finished our thyme-infused honey, we're going to go ahead and do the same steps to make our mint-infused honey. What is your favorite way to use herb-infused honey? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear.